Well, back at it again, guys. So, going down Lonesome Lake Trail, and I think I'm gonna do a Kinsmans today, or attempt. It's really kind of rainy, crummy day. Echo! Cool. So, I'll see you at the trailhead. We'll see if I can complete the Kinsmans today. Maybe I'll probably turn around if it gets too dicey. But I'm not expecting any views today, that's for sure. See you soon. So, I messed up somehow, and I ended up on Canon, high Canon. So, we're just gonna finish up on Canon because the weather is awful, and I totally missed Lonesome Lake. So, I'll just finish up on Canon and head back down, and call it a day. See you at the top. I forgot this was here. I guess we're going up. Oh man. What a view. Okay. We made it. We're at Canon. Let's see if we got any views. Epic photo. You
gotta get him, I guess.
It's hella windy out here. Wow, I'm getting blown around up here. Alright, I'm gonna head down before trailhead. It's always a good time to have a snack. So against my better judgment, I'm gonna press forward and still attempt the Kinsmans. So I'm on the way, and we'll see what happens. There's a bailout trail, so if I don't feel like I could do it, I'll just bail. So we shall see. We shall see. I've been out here so long the sun came out. I have no idea where I am. I kind of went down a trail, got to a junction, no idea where I'm going, so I'm turning around. I'm calling it. So Kinsmans, you have defeated me, but I will be back. Well, I'm somewhere, don't know where, but yeah, so I got down, I went this way, and I went down that trail about a mile, and it just seems to be going downhill, and I just turned around, man. So these signs kind of suck. Like, is Kinsman this way? I'm too shot. I'm going home, guys. I think I'll avoid that. Well, I met two hikers, Gwen and Steve, and they were gracious enough to lend me their headlamp because not only did I get lost, I forgot my headlamp. So, thank you very much. You don't know how much that means. Yes. Now I can see. Appreciate you. Oh, look at this. It's a spotted salamander, I think. Wow. Beautiful. What's up, buddy? Just hanging out? Oh man, that's cool. Well, I just found heaven. Lonesome Lake Hut. I have vegan brownies and vegan soup. I'm walking all day, and this is a godsend. See you later, guys. Well, I made it back to the car. It was pouring rain the last mile and a half after the hut. But God, I met a lot of cool people on that trail. I met a dude named Pat. He was really cool. Gwen and Steve. Shout out to you guys for saving my butt a couple of times. Once when I was kind of bushwhacking and they led me back to the trail, and then also they hooked me up with a headlamp. So I got your address. I'm going to send it back to you. Thanks so much. I'll probably throw some fresh batteries in there too. And then after the hut, on my way out, I ran into a guy, John Clark, and him and his wife are both doing the grid. So it was really cool to chat with him. And we got off the mountain together. So Kinsmans, you're my nemesis. I'll see you again.